Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video I will share some tips about how to lose weight in 7 days. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe for more health and fitness related content. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Losing weight is a dream that many people have. While there are many ways to lose weight, most of them require commitment, patience and consistency. However, the thought of losing weight can be daunting, especially if you are new to it. But don't fret. It is possible to lose weight in just 7 days if you are determined and follow the right path. So, if you are looking for a quick and efficient way to lose weight in a week, then you are in the right place. In this article, I'll show you practical and achievable ways to lose weight in 7 days without jeopardizing your health. Number 1. Drink more water. Water is not only necessary for our health but is also essential when it comes to losing weight. Drinking more water helps keep your body hydrated, reduce hunger pangs and boost your metabolism rate. If you want to lose weight in 7 days, aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. In fact, a study by the University of North Carolina found that drinking more water can burn 30% more calories during exercise. Number 2. Reduce your calorie intake. Reducing your calorie intake is one of the fastest ways to lose weight. The theory is simple: consume fewer calories than your body burns, and you will lose weight. Aim to consume fewer calories but still maintain a balanced diet. Make sure it includes proteins, carbohydrates and healthy fats. To calculate your calorie intake, you can use any online calorie calculator. Number 3. Eat whole foods. Whole foods are minimally processed foods that contain more vitamins, minerals, and fiber than processed food. Whole foods include fruits, vegetables, lean meats, whole grain, and legumes. These foods are rich in nutrients and provide your body with the required energy for the day. Limiting processed foods such as chips, sweets, and soft drinks will significantly aid in weight loss. Number 4. Exercise more. Exercise does not only help you lose weight but also has numerous health benefits. From reducing stress to strengthening your heart, exercise is crucial for leading a healthy life. In addition, exercise also helps burn excess calories, making it crucial when attempting to lose weight. Aim to do at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 15 minutes of high intensity exercise per day. Activities such as running, cycling, or brisk walking are top choices when it comes to exercises that burn calories. Number 5. Cut out alcohol. Cutting back on alcohol is vital when attempting to lose weight. Most alcoholic drinks contain high amounts of calories, and excessive consumption can lead to weight gain. In addition, alcohol has been shown to lower inhibitions, leading to overeating and increased calorie consumption. If you must drink, it is recommended that you limit your intake to 1 drink per day. Number 6. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for your overall well-being, but it also plays a vital role in weight loss. Lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism, causing your body to store more fats. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to keep your metabolism running efficiently. Number 7. Reduce stress. Stress can cause weight gain and contribute to an unhealthy lifestyle. When you're stressed, your body releases the hormone cortisol, which can interfere with your metabolism, leading to weight gain. Therefore, if you want to lose weight, it's crucial to manage stress levels. Exercise, meditation, and yoga are all excellent ways to reduce stress. Now let's move to the conclusion. Losing weight in 7 days is achievable if you follow the tips above. Remember to make small, realistic changes to your lifestyle rather than attempting major changes overnight. It's important to stay committed, avoid fad diets, and create lasting habits that will help you maintain a healthy weight in the long run. Finally, before making any drastic changes in your diet, it's important to consult with a doctor or dietitian to ensure you're making healthy choices for your body. Good luck on your weight loss journey.